Yeah, yeah. Baby, si se nos da, yeah, yeah. Será lo que será, yeah, yeah. Los dos vamos a matar, yeah, yeah. Toda esa
Hello my lovely people, how are you? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today we're gonna create 4 messy buns. They are not simple messy buns, okay? These are upside down messy buns. This is actually a very good arm workout, and actually this week I think I'll skip my arm workout because of this hair tutorial. So without further ado, let's get started right into our messy upside down braided buns.
We will basically select our top section by kind of drawing 2 parallel lines from behind our ears going up, and we want to smooth it out using a comb and tie it like a high half-up ponytail, and we want to pin it away for later. Then of course we will turn our head upside down and we'll brush nicely down our hair. Now we want to select our first section, divide it into 3 and cross side strands over the middle one. Then you want to add more hair to the side strands and then cross it over the middle one. So you want to continue these steps over and over again. This is basically a simple French braid but downwards. This can confuse you a little bit at first, especially because your arms are up and your head is down, so it's kind of hard. So basically you just add hair to the side section and cross it over the middle one until reaching your half-up ponytail that we did before. So when there's no more hair to add, we basically want to finish with a simple 3-strand braid and tie both together that ponytail with our braid. This hairstyle reminds me of corset, so basically this looks amazing. Here we want to make any type of bun that we like, but I'm just wrapping my hair like creating a knot but hiding the ends inside of our bun, and then we want to pin it from the side, loosen it a bit and use some hairspray if needed, and our first upside down French braid is ready. For our second one, again we want to select same half-up ponytail, and then grabbing our first section we want to divide it into 3, but this time instead of bringing our hair over our middle section, we want to bring it under the middle section. So this is basically a Dutch braid, but again upside down. So you add hair to the side sections and then cross it under the middle one. So you want to continue these steps over and over again, adding hair to the side section, cross it under the middle one, and then again add more hair to the opposite section and cross it under the middle section. You want to continue these steps over and over again until reaching the end, and you want to finish with a simple 3-strand braid until reaching your half-up ponytail. Tie the ponytail and the braid together, loosen a little bit if you want, that's optional of course, and then you want to make your bun. So basically I'm making here a messy bun. As you can see, I'm twisting my hair with my elastic and tying the elastic over. Now you want to loosen it and pin it from this side. When you reach the desired look, use some hairspray if needed, and your Dutch braided updo is ready. So for our big voluminous upside down braid, we will make a upside down ultra braid. So basically we will select the same top section, want to select your first underneath section, tie it, and then select your second section and tie it again. Now grabbing your first section, divide it into two and bring second one through the middle, and grabbing the, you want to pin it like I'm showing, so this will be easier. Grab the ends, add more hair from this side and tie it, and again you want to grab your first ponytail, divide it into two, bring second one through the middle, pin it for later, add more hair to the ends of our first ponytail and tie it. So you want to continue, you can grab here a thicker or smaller section depending on your desired look. When you finish your braid, make sure to tie the ends with your bun, and then you add the last section to it like I'm showing, so it will be easier. Fan it out, of course, you'll pull through braid until you have the desired look. And here we will tie the ends with a clear elastic, divide the ends into two and just roll your bun like I'm showing, making kind of fun bun, and pin it from the sides, and you're done. For the next one, we again want to make underneath first ponytail, make an opening and bring this ponytail through it. Then you want to add more hair to this ponytail and again make an opening, bring this ponytail through it. You can use this tool. I decided I have to show you how to use it, but actually I like more doing by myself like I'm showing. So you add hair to the previous section and make an opening and bring the ponytail through it. When reaching the ends, make sure to tie all together your ponytail. And wrap your hair all around like I'm showing, making a tight bun. Then you want to spread your hair until desired look again and pin it well in place. Use some hairspray if needed. And yes, your Topsy tail braided bun is ready.
I hope that you enjoyed today's hair tutorial. If you do, don't forget about thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification button as well, so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Oh, by the way guys, don't forget to check my other hair tutorials so you'll have beautiful hair every day. But that's it for today, and you know I love you so much, and see you soon in my next video. Bye!